Español con humor. ¿Vas a salir? No, mamá. Voy a sacarme una selfie. Funny, don't you think? Why do I like it? Firstly, it's funny. But secondly, underlying it, we've got some learning points. Vas a salir? Are you going out? The immediate future. And the other bit I like is voy a sacarme una selfie. Excuse me. I'm going to take a selfie. So the learning point here, this is the immediate future. Are you going out? Vas a salir? Voy a sacarme una selfie. I am going to take a selfie. Love it. ¿Qué vas a hacer hoy? Nada. ¿Y no hiciste eso ayer? Sí, pero no terminé. Qué chiste fantástico. What a great joke. Now let's unpack it a little bit. ¿Qué vas a hacer hoy? What are you going to do today? Nada. Nothing. ¿Y no hiciste eso ayer? And didn't you do that yesterday? Sí, pero no terminé. Yes, but I didn't finish. Let's unpack the learning points. ¿Qué vas a hacer? What are you going to do today? Immediate future. And then we've got the example, no hiciste. Hiciste is from the preterite of the verb hacer, to do. Two learning points then. ¿Qué vas a hacer? And no hiciste in the preterite. ¡Qué cola tan larga! ¡Qué cola tan larga! ¡Qué cola tan larga! So here we've actually got a play on words, or as they say in Spanish, un juego de palabras. The word cola means two things. It means tail, but it also means a queue, or for the American listeners, a line in a supermarket. So, such a long tail or such a long queue or line is referring to the dinosaur's tail, but also the fact that they're in a supermarket, as you can tell because they've got supermarket trolleys. Learning point here, very simply, adjectival agreement. Cola is feminine, larga is feminine. Feminine singular, cola, larga. Hola. Now can I ask you to do me a favour? Can you put in the comments below whether you found chiste uno, chiste dos or chiste tres the funniest? Joke 1, joke 2, joke 3. Muchas gracias. Now if you did find that useful, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And can I perhaps be cheeky and ask, why don't you actually subscribe to the channel? Muchas gracias, amigos míos.